Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you another drawing animation that I made, so let's get on to it. Okay. Oh, just ignore that. Anyway. Hey, so when it was about, I was 10 or 9, okay? Hey, and I was mad at my stepdad for something I can't remember. But when I was laying in bed, I saw something on my bookshelf. Anyway, so then I started to freak out because I didn't know how to deal with a bird on my bookshelf. So I just ran out and I started to cry. Yeah, I started to cry, right? And of course my stepdad got him out, and then kicked him out the front door. Well, no, I'm just kidding. He just put him lightly down. Thanks for watching. Okay, just a fan art that I made for myself. Boom shakalaka. That is a person. Okay, guys. Well, I think that's about all. How many minutes have we recorded? Oh, didn't mean to do that. But how many minutes have we recorded? Oh, 1 minute 51 seconds. Dang, I'm on a roll. Oh. Alright, guys. Well, I think that's enough. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Oh, nope, didn't mean to press. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yo, bro, watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet. Watch